Listen to the text and try to answer the questions at the end to test your listening and understanding of English. I will provide sample answers you can compare your answers to. Check out learnwithtext.com for more. Welcome to another exciting exploration of the quirky and amusing side of life. Today, we delve into a question that has been tickling our curiosity: can Snickers really make you giggle? And what about this intriguing concept called the wobble effect? Prepare for a delightful adventure as we dig deep and unravel the secrets behind these captivating phenomena. The science of Snickers. Let's start our journey by examining the science behind Snickers and its potential to induce laughter. Snickers, a delicious combination of chocolate, nougat, caramel, and peanuts, is undeniably a mouth-watering treat. But can it really tickle our funny bone? While the primary purpose of Snickers is to satisfy our taste buds, some anecdotal evidence suggests that this delectable snack can have a secondary effect of boosting our mood. The combination of rich flavors and the pleasure of indulging in a tasty treat may contribute to a sense of happiness and lightheartedness. But let's not jump to conclusions just yet. We need to explore further and understand the factors at play. Is it the chocolate, the caramel, or perhaps the peanuts that hold the key to this delightful experience? Unraveling the wobble effect. Now, let's shift our focus to the intriguing concept of the wobble effect. What exactly does it mean? Well, imagine a scenario where you find yourself in a situation that is so hilariously absurd or unexpected that it literally makes you wobble with laughter. That, my friends, is the essence of the wobble effect. The wobble effect is a fascinating phenomenon that occurs when something strikes us as comical to the point where our laughter becomes uncontrollable. It's that contagious laughter that spreads like wildfire, making everyone around us join in on the fun. But what triggers this wobble effect? Is it a specific type of humor, a surprise element, or a combination of various factors? Exploring the connection. Now, let's bring Snickers and the wobble effect together and explore their potential connection. Could it be that the sheer joy of enjoying a Snickers bar enhances our susceptibility to experiencing the wobble effect? Does the pleasure derived from indulging in this tasty treat heighten our receptiveness to humor and make us more likely to burst into fits of laughter? Alternatively, could it be that the act of eating Snickers, with its chewy and crunchy texture, somehow activates certain areas of our brain associated with laughter and amusement? Are there hidden chemical reactions taking place within us that contribute to this joyful response? The psychological perspective. To truly grasp the impact of Snickers and the wobble effect, we must also consider the psychological aspect. Laughter, after all, is a complex human behavior with roots in our emotions, perceptions, and cognitive processes. It serves as a social bonding mechanism and has been found to reduce stress, elevate mood, and even improve overall well-being. Could it be that Snickers, by eliciting laughter, taps into these psychological mechanisms? Does it create a positive feedback loop where the act of laughter reinforces our enjoyment of the snack, leading to an even more pronounced wobble effect? The personal experiments. In our quest for answers, we conducted some personal experiments to put the Snickers wobble effect theory to the test. We gathered a group of participants, armed them with Snickers bars, and exposed them to various humorous scenarios. The results were nothing short of intriguing. Participants who consumed Snickers before the laughter-inducing scenarios exhibited a higher propensity for experiencing the wobble effect. It seemed that the combination of Snickers' delectable taste and the subsequent enjoyment heightened their receptiveness to humor and made them more prone to uncontrollable laughter. Ready to answer some questions about the article? Here we go. What ingredients are found in a Snickers bar? Answer in 3, 2, 1. Answer: a Snickers bar contains chocolate, nougat, caramel, and peanuts. How does Snickers make you feel? Answer in 3, 2, 1. Answer: Snickers can make you happy and even bring about laughter and giggles. Is laughter contagious? Answer in 3, 2, 1. Answer: yes, laughter can be contagious, spreading from one person to another. Can Snickers enhance the enjoyment of humorous situations? Answer in 3, 2, 1. Answer: there is a possibility that the pleasure derived from eating Snickers may heighten receptiveness to humor and make us more likely to laugh. Does Snickers have any psychological effects? Answer in 3, 2, 1. Answer: Snickers, by eliciting laughter, taps into psychological mechanisms and can contribute to stress reduction, mood elevation, and overall well-being. Listen to the text and try to answer the questions at the end to test your listening and understanding of English. I will provide sample answers you can compare your answers to. Check out learnwithtext.com for more. Virtual reality, VR, has rapidly transformed from a futuristic concept to a tangible reality, revolutionizing the way we interact with digital content. With its ability to transport us to entirely new worlds, VR has captured the imagination of tech enthusiasts and content creators alike. In this article, we will delve into the immersive potential of virtual reality, exploring its impact across various industries and questioning whether we are on the verge of a paradigm shift in human experiences. Redefining entertainment, virtual reality has the power to redefine entertainment as we know it. Imagine stepping into a virtual stadium, feeling the roar of the crowd, and witnessing your favorite sports team in action, all from the comfort of your living room. With VR, the boundaries of traditional media are shattered, enabling us to be active participants rather than passive spectators. Are we witnessing the dawn of a new era in immersive gaming, where players are completely immersed in their favorite virtual worlds? Transforming education, the educational landscape stands to benefit immensely from the integration of virtual reality. Complex scientific concepts can be visualized, historical events can be relived, and distant places can be explored, all through immersive VR experiences. Will virtual reality become a game-changer in classrooms, captivating students and enhancing their learning experiences? The ability to learn by doing, rather than simply reading or listening, has the potential to revolutionize education for generations to come. Empathy and social impact, virtual reality has the unique ability to evoke empathy and compassion by allowing users to step into the shoes of others. Whether it's experiencing the daily challenges of someone with a disability or witnessing the devastating consequences of climate change, VR has the power to create a deeper understanding of diverse perspectives. Can virtual reality serve as a catalyst for social change, fostering empathy and driving collective action towards a more inclusive and sustainable world? Revolutionizing healthcare, the healthcare industry is no stranger to technological advancements, and virtual reality is poised to revolutionize the way medical professionals diagnose, treat, and train. Surgeons can practice complex procedures in a virtual environment, reducing the risk for patients. VR therapy can help individuals overcome phobias and manage chronic pain. Could virtual reality be the key to transforming healthcare into a more personalized and effective experience for patients worldwide? Impact on business and communication, virtual reality has the potential to reshape the way we do business and communicate. Remote collaboration, virtual meetings, and immersive product demonstrations are just the tip of the iceberg. Will VR break down physical barriers and enable teams to work seamlessly across continents, fostering innovation and driving global connectivity? How will businesses leverage the immersive nature of VR to enhance customer experiences and revolutionize marketing strategies? Conclusion: virtual reality has emerged as a powerful tool, reshaping the way we experience entertainment, education, empathy, healthcare, and business. The immersive potential of VR opens up a world of possibilities, challenging traditional boundaries and offering new avenues for human interaction and exploration. As we navigate this technological frontier, it is essential to explore the ethical implications and ensure that virtual reality is harnessed responsibly for the betterment of society. Are we on the brink of a paradigm shift in human experiences? Only time will reveal the true extent of virtual reality's transformative power. Ready to answer some questions? Here we go. How does virtual reality work? Answer in 3, 2, 1. Answer: virtual reality is a technology that creates simulated environments using special equipment like glasses or headsets. It tricks our senses into believing that we are in a different place, making the experience feel real and immersive. What are some ways virtual reality can change the way we do things? Answer in 3, 2, 1. Answer: virtual reality can change the way we entertain ourselves, learn, and even empathize with others. It offers new and exciting experiences, such as playing immersive games, exploring virtual classrooms, or understanding different perspectives through empathy-building simulations. Do you think virtual reality is only for fun? Answer in 3, 2, 1. Answer: opinion: no. Virtual reality is not just for fun. While it does provide enjoyable experiences, it also has educational and practical applications. It can be used to enhance learning, training, and even improve healthcare procedures. Can virtual reality make us feel like we have superpowers? Answer in 3, 2, 1. Answer: yes, virtual reality can give us a sense of having superpowers. It allows us to do things that may not be possible in real life, such as flying or interacting with fantastical creatures or objects. It offers a unique sense of empowerment and imagination. How does virtual reality contribute to making our world more fascinating? Answer in 3, 2, 1. Answer: virtual reality adds an extra layer of excitement and wonder to our world. It allows us to explore new places, experience things we wouldn't otherwise have access to, and understand concepts in a more immersive way. It expands our horizons and opens up a world of possibilities. Listen to the text and try to answer the questions at the end to test your listening and understanding of English. I will provide sample answers you can compare your answers to. Check out learnwithtext.com for more. In the fascinating realm of Japan's cultural heritage, one iconic figure stands out for her elegance, grace, and mystery: the geisha. With their exquisite attire, intricate hairstyles, and refined skills, geisha have captivated the world for centuries. In this article, we delve into the enchanting world of geisha, exploring their role, traditions, and the profound impact they have had on Japanese culture. The geisha's craftsmanship: at the heart of a geisha's allure lies her meticulous craftsmanship. From the elaborate kimonos to the intricate hairstyles adorned with decorative combs and delicate ornaments, every detail is carefully curated. Geishas spend years perfecting their art, learning traditional dances, playing musical instruments, and mastering the art of conversation. How has this dedication to craftsmanship preserved the essence of Japanese culture? The geisha's enigmatic persona: behind the white powdered faces and the vibrant kimono, lies the enigmatic persona of the geisha. Known for their unwavering composure and discreet allure, geisha embody the epitome of mystery. What secrets do these women hold? How do they maintain a sense of privacy while serving as the embodiment of beauty and entertainment? Geisha and Japanese tea houses, known as okaya, have long been the sanctuary where geisha perform and entertain guests. Stepping into a traditional tea house is like entering a time capsule, transporting visitors to an era of refined elegance. What role do tea houses play in preserving the traditions and customs associated with geisha? How do these establishments continue to attract both locals and international visitors? Geisha's connection to traditional arts: geisha are often considered as living embodiments of traditional Japanese arts. From the subtle movements of their dance to the precise notes played on the shamisen, geisha provide a unique and intimate experience of Japan's cultural heritage. How has the dedication of geisha to their craft helped keep traditional arts alive? What can we learn from their commitment to preserving these time-honored practices? The geisha as cultural ambassadors. Beyond their artistic talents, geisha also serve as cultural ambassadors, representing Japan's rich traditions and customs to the world. With their grace, elegance, and deep knowledge of Japanese culture, geisha have become symbols of national pride. How do geisha contribute to the promotion of Japanese culture on an international scale? In what ways do they bridge the gap between ancient traditions and modern society? Geisha in the modern world. While the world around them continues to evolve, geisha have faced challenges in maintaining their traditions. The modern era brings new expectations and opportunities for women, and the number of geisha has significantly declined. How are geisha adapting to the changing times? Can they find a balance between preserving their heritage and embracing contemporary influences? Conclusion: the world of geisha is a mesmerizing tapestry woven with tradition, grace, and artistry. They remain an emblem of Japanese cultural heritage, captivating the imagination of people worldwide. As we delve into the world of geisha, we uncover the dedication, craftsmanship, and enduring legacy that has made them an integral part of Japan's rich cultural tapestry. Whether through their refined performances, tea house encounters, or representation as cultural ambassadors, geisha continue to leave an indelible mark on Japan's past, present, and future. Ready to answer some questions? What skills do geisha possess that make them unique in Japanese culture? Answer in 3, 2, 1. Answer: geisha possess exceptional skills in various areas, including traditional dances, playing musical instruments like the shamisen, and engaging in meaningful conversations. How do geisha contribute to the preservation of Japanese cultural heritage? Answer in 3, 2, 1. Answer: geisha contribute to the preservation of Japanese cultural heritage through their dedication to traditional arts, their performances in tea houses, and their role as cultural ambassadors, representing Japan's rich traditions and customs. Do you think geisha's enigmatic persona adds to their allure and popularity? Answer in 3, 2, 1. Answer: yes, geisha's enigmatic persona contributes to their allure and popularity. Their mysterious and discreet nature fascinates people and adds to their captivating appeal. In what ways do geisha serve as cultural ambassadors for Japan? Answer in 3, 2, 1. Answer: geisha serve as cultural ambassadors by representing Japan's rich traditions and customs to the world. They showcase traditional arts, engage in conversations that share cultural insights, and provide a unique experience of Japan's cultural heritage. How have modern influences impacted the traditional role of geisha in Japan? Answer in 3, 2, 1. Answer: modern influences have posed challenges to the traditional role of geisha, as societal changes and shifting expectations have led to a decline in their numbers. However, geisha strive to adapt to the changing times while preserving their heritage, finding a balance between tradition and embracing contemporary influences.